Hi,
It's on now.
let me show you how to turn on flashlight with Siri on iPhone. So we are gonna start with opening settings and here search for the Siri tab. Now you need to make sure that Siri is turned on, so go and talk to Siri and enable one of those two top options. And additionally, you can enable to press side button for Siri to be able to trigger it with the help of pressing power button. You can also allow Siri when locked to be able to use it on your lock screen as well, like that. And now all you have to do is to either press side button or just trigger Siri with Hey Siri and ask her to turn on flashlight. So let's try this out. Hey Siri, turn on flashlight.
It's on now.
And now it's on. We can also ask her to turn off flashlight. Hey Siri, turn off flashlight.
It's off now.
And now it's off. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.